So you've done the conversion, but how do you know for sure that it actually worked?
You heated it, sure, but did you really manage to get all of that water out? Let's find out.
You really can't tell just by looking. The secret is revealed when you turn up the heat.
It all comes down to one single trapped water molecule. That little thing changes everything.
So it's simple. One has water, one doesn't. And that is the key to this whole test.
Check out the difference. The monohydrate softens and bubbles early on, and hydrous stays solid.
This brings us to the one number you really need to be looking for to know you succeeded.
153 degrees Celsius. If it melts cleanly right there, you nailed it.
Okay, for the most accurate results, you'll want to use the lab method. Here's what you'll need.
The key here is to go slow. Heat it gradually and watch very, very closely for any changes.
Don't have a lab? No problem. This clever at-home setup can give you a great answer.
It's pretty brilliant how you can use basic kitchen stuff to get the job done, right?
Okay, but really be smart. Goggles, gloves, and good ventilation are an absolute must.
All right, the test is done. Now what does it all mean? Let's break down the results.
See bubbling below 100? That's waterscaping. It's incomplete. A sharp melt near 153? Success.
Want to guarantee a good reading? Here are a couple of pro tips for getting accurate results. Now remember, this test confirms water removal. It's not a test for other impurities.
So you just used basic chemistry to verify a reaction. What else could you test right from your kitchen?